Can you change your birth date or can you change your birthday on Snapchat? So the answer is yes, you can change your birth date or your birthday on your Instagram if you have edited it wrong. How can we do that setting? Firstly, you just have to make sure that you have updated your Snapchat application from App Store if you're using an iPhone mobile, and if you're using an Android, so you can just go on the Google Play Store for updating this Snapchat application. After updating it, you have to open it like this, and you can see this is my chat page on my Snapchat here. What I have to do, I will just click on the left top of the screen called my profile icon here like this. After that, click on the setting option on right top of your screen. You can see there is setting option on the right head of my avatar here. Click on that, and the third option you will see that is your birthday, that is 19 October 2003. I will click on that and I can simply edit it from this menu. This is the video. Thank you so much for watching it. If you have any type of question, query or confusion regarding any topic, so just tap it into the comment section. We will make a separate video on that soon. Thank you so much for watching this video.